Have you ever wondered how a robot moves? Think of a curious kitten. Its brain sends signals down the spinal cord, telling the muscles when and how to move, helping the kitten stay balanced and coordinated. Robots don't have muscles or nerves. They have something else, precise electronics. This is Robot Driver, the compact controller at the heart of your machine. It sends digital commands to motors and joints, telling them exactly where to go. At the same time, those joints send feedback right back, reporting position, load, and status. Just like nerves talking to the brain. And that's not all. The same data bus can connect to more devices, from wheel motors to LED modules, even reading signals from an RC receiver through the S-Bus protocol. Robot Driver is made for everyone, from beginners to advanced developers. Getting started is simple. Power it on and it instantly creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot. No app, no setup. Just connect your phone, tablet, or computer, open your browser, and you're in. Use the built-in web app to control motors, adjust parameters, or create motion sequences, all without writing a single line of code. Need advanced tuning? Plug into the UART port to enable serial pass-through. You can use tools like VTech debug software to fine-tune your servos, or use the TTL adapter for simple wired control. For developers, the real power comes alive. Robot Driver speaks JSON, a clear and human-readable format for all commands. Control your robot through USB, WebSocket, UART, HTTP, or ESP-NOW, all with clean and readable code. Think of Robot Driver as the cerebellum of your robot, the little brain that handles motion with precision and speed. Pair it with a powerful upper brain like Raspberry Pi or Jetson, and you get a complete brain-body system. The upper brain focuses on AI, vision, and mapping. Robot Driver takes care of real-time motion control, running PID loops and kinematics at high speed. This modular brain design improves stability, responsiveness, and efficiency, helping you build robots that are smarter, faster, and more capable. Whether you're a student, maker, or engineer, Robot Driver grows with you. Powerful for pros, yet friendly for beginners. Bring your ideas to life. Lygion Robotics,